Hello, my name is Donald Williams-Gutiérrez, and here's an overview of my personal health and wellness course. And so here's the home page. Well, here's the home page. I think it's the same. The home page here has me and all my contact information, a little bit about me, and just over here has the way the assignments are weighted, and course syllabus, and here's like a mini calendar of some of the assignments that are due. And clicking here for the course syllabus, so this is as soon as the students come to the first page, they can access the syllabus easily. And here it is. So contact information, how to get a hold of me, how long it'll take me to respond. There's a course overview, any reading, the one textbook that's required, and then everything else is online. This also just explains everything about the course, etiquette, because discussions are a big part of this course. Okay, so then also just expectations of, how to write and the expectations, because it is a college course. And then this has course objectives, how students will be assessed. Here I have the grading policy, also for late assignments, disabilities, students with disabilities information as well. And then I have here the schedule. I guess mine are broken up by weeks, just because of the nature of the class. But we do have the first, week 1 is going to be the just the introduction of learning objectives. Students will have a syllabus quiz. We do have a live meeting. And then there's also the introduction discussion. Similar to some of the courses we've had in our other OTL classes, including this one. And then for week 2, there's the topic and what will be assigned as far as the discussions and what the students will be doing. So there's the way this course works, at least initially, is there's students are learning about their own personal health and wellness, but also then discussing with other students as well. And there are some live meetings that we will have, I think, every other week, and those again can either be done live or, like we do here, can also be viewed as a recording. So I do have different learning objectives, and then just what students will do each week. Okay, for first week, we'll have just a discussion. So I actually want to make it a little bit more fun, kind of like this course is. So, but anyway, here's at least it's, I have this so far, so I can always modify that later. And then the students will also take a syllabus quiz. So there's various quizzes throughout the throughout this course. And again, quizzes are about 10% of their grade. So some of these questions, as you notice, are short answers. Some are just multiple choice. So there's a variety of different types of questions. And I like to get more feedback from the students that tells me really that they understand what's going on as well. We do have a couple of other quizzes. When we have our topic on stress, sleep, and violence, this one looks like it's primarily, no, it's a variety of different types of questions. So some short answer, mini essay, multiple choice, true, false. So like to have a variety of different types of questions so students can give me, I can know what they're understanding. So I have a variety of different quizzes. And some of them are just so they can see where they are. Do they understand what it is, you know, the material in the course overall. And then here I have one example of my discussions as far as rubrics go. So I was able to create a discussion rubric last semester, so this was really beneficial. So this is the only one I have it for, but it'll apply to pretty much most of my discussions. So students will know how they are graded. So discussions are a big half of their grade, so pretty much a lot of this course is going to be on discussions. So. And then at the end of the semester, what last chunk, students will be doing a group project. So take over a course of about 6 weeks. And so this one took some, just being a little bit more creative. But it's really very similar to my presentations for my face-to-face class. So that's pretty neat. And I also do have an evaluation for them at the end of the semester. Course survey. It is using that Likert scale. Just feedback on whether course objectives were, met, and do the assignments align. And so students give me feedback. I probably want to expand on that course survey a little bit more, but I do have it available for students. As far as what I'm going to be doing with the rest of this practicum course is modifying some of the course objectives, because some of those are a little bit too specific, so those are more the specific unit or weekly objectives. And then just tying how the assignments align with the learning objectives for either the unit or for the course, and what students are expected to have learned or demonstrate by the end of either that unit or by the end of the course. So that is an overview of my course. And I look forward for any feedback and to also making this course better.